Hi, I'm a part of a group that wants people to know that we're all alive, and that every single cell is different. Sure, all of us have carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. It's what separates us from the non-organics that have no carbon. We all have carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids. We all have DNA and RNA that turns information into proteins. We all use energy to respirate, and our APP converts into ATP, all the same. Sure, some of us use photosynthesis to convert sunlight into energy. Some of us have to consume other life to gain energy. But who cares who has a membrane-bound nucleus or not? When the basic organelles are there, we all can get along. Everyone in the sea is trying to maintain homeostasis at the same time. Osmoconformers' internal H2O balance changes with salinity, and that works for them. And just because they cannot control their H2O balance like you, doesn't mean you can make fun of them. Ectotherm's metallic heat is lost to the environment. So cold-blooded is the correct term, not icy bloods. That's a mean term. Endotherms retain their heat. Polyecotherms' body temperature changes with the environment, while homeotherms can maintain an internal body temperature. All of these are equally okay, and it is never alright to make fun of someone because of the way they maintain their body temperature. Water moves through us the same through diffusion. It's always from a lower salinity to a higher salinity. Whether your cells are in a hypertonic state, and your cell shrinks, or a hypotonic state, your cell swells, or even isotonic, where your cell stays the same. There is no reason to make fun of anyone. Everyone reproduces differently, but they are all aiming for the same thing, to produce genetic individuals and to pass down their genetic information. In asexual reproduction, single-celled organisms divide and their offspring inherit all the genetic info of the parent. Now, just because sexual reproduction increases genetic diversity doesn't mean you can make fun of an asexual organism. There are two considerations on natural selection: artificial selection and natural selection. Artificial is chosen by humans, and natural is what suits your environment. Now, other people are better at passing down their genes than others, and have better fitness or reproductive success. Some creatures breed differently based on habitat. Anatomical, which is where reproductive organs you would have, behavioral, the different mating behaviors, and the difference in biochemistry. But we are all classified under the taxonomic tree, so we should respect our differences.